Did you notice the sound that comes with this zoom? That sound is called a sound effect. Today I will show you a few important sound effects using real examples. Number 1. Zooming. The sound is here when the camera moves and zoom. It's boost that helps show movement in a video. Number 2. Zoom out. This is where a riser come in. Here I build the intensity and let it drop. You use this when you want a movement to feel bigger. If you want my personal sound effect packs with 20 plus sound effects completely free, the link is in the comments.